good, right? Today, it's a fun one. We're gonna do a hair challenge. The 70s hair flip hair challenge off of TikTok. It's basically a rendition of Farrah Fawcett's iconic hairstyle, like the hair in the wind, the really big, voluminous hair. There's this girl on TikTok that started doing it using a flat iron. And basically what you do is you just take your ends and you kind of flip them out and up. And then you take a brush, you really brush it through to make it really fluffy and poofy and voluminous and glorious. And then you flip your hair multiple times to get it even bigger. So I figured this would be a great challenge to see, can we even do the Farrah Fawcett hairstyle on my type of hair? So let's go for it, try it out, see what happens. You guys, I'm using my Bioionic 10X flat iron. Haven't seen that one in a while, have we? Okay, so what I'm doing, just taking the hair and these ends, just kind of flipping them up. Okay, I'm just gonna go kind of quick. All right, and then I have a lot of these little pieces, so I'm just gonna start towards the root. So any long pieces, just go towards the bottom, shorter pieces, starting closer to the root. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna start bringing all of the hair kind of towards the front, like all of these hairs. I'm just gonna do this, honestly. Bring it back. See, the problem is I don't have bangs. All of these little shorter pieces. Make sure I got them. Okay. Like that, there we go. Okay, so now that we have the hair nice and curled, I'm gonna take my brush. This is just a round, more bristle brush. And I'm gonna take the hair, bring it forward, and just brush it out. It's looking good, isn't it? I can't see anything.
It's in the back of your head right now.
Yeah. And you want the hair kind of to flip out. Looks good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Bam!
Looks like a thing.
Now, stand up. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna flip my head like 4 to 5 times to really get that volume. Let's flip it. You ready?
We're ready.
Whew! Okay. This is what we look.
that what you were going for?
Oh my gosh, that looks like a hot mess. What is happening? Supposed to get that crazy volume. I think we got the crazy volume part. Let's see if we can make this actually look good. Yeah, see? Like, because I have most of my length towards the bottom, not too many layers, you don't really get the really beautiful swoop right here towards the front. Even the little baby hairs are not helping. It's definitely giving me like 60s, 70s vibe. What do you think?
A little bit of, yeah, a little 70s.
Yeah, like I said, I think it's all about the haircut, all about those front shaggy layers to really give it that beautiful swoop and really even swoop. That one girl, I'm actually find her name. She has the specific haircut to make it look so good. It's very even all the way around and it's going all in the same direction instead of mine looking crazy like this. Her TikTok handle is called groovy_mal, M-A-L, and her hair is gorgeous. It's stunning, yeah. See?
Yeah.
So it's like super big, right, all in the front, you know?
Yeah.
This was fun though.
Well, it's a rendition of that.
Yeah, it's a rendition, but I wanted to see if you could actually do that challenge with longer hair and very minimal amount of layering. Not bad. I thought that was so much fun. I didn't think it was gonna look, honestly, this good. It doesn't look great, but it doesn't look horrible. All right, guys, thank you for having fun joining me in this challenge. I hope you try this challenge out yourself, especially if you have layers all around. I think you'll actually really like it. But for now, thank you for watching, spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one very soon. Bye.